This is my exponential growth and decay project for Coach Block 1. State I chose was Delaware, entered the Union December 7th, 1787. As of 2018, there are 971,180 people living there. Their main export is agriculture and livestock, mainly poultry, soybeans, wheat, and corn. Here's my Desmos graph showing 11 years from 2008 through now. The trend line is going up, which means the population is, in fact, growing. The equation for the best fit was y equals a, which means starting population, multiplied by 1 plus b, which is yearly growth rate, raised to the power of x, which is number of years. So, the population is 971,180, which equals 883,874, multiplied by 1 plus b to the power of 10. I flipped the equation to make it 883,874 times b plus 1 to the power of 10, which equals 971,180. I took this equation and divided both sides by 883,874, and in the end I got b plus 1 to the power of 10 equals 485,590 divided by 441,937. I raised the equation by 1/10, and a little side note, couldn't type it because it screwed up on my keyboard and all that stuff. I don't know how or why, but I tried my best, Coach. Didn't work out so well. So, in the end, b plus 1 equals 1.00966464. I subtracted both sides by 1 and got my final answer. B equals 0.009464, which is a 0.94 growth rate, percent growth rate. If the trend line in my Desmos graph continued, the population 10 years from now would be 1,068,520 people. In 20 years, it will be 1,175,742 people. 30 years from now, it would be 1,293,723 people, which is an exponential growth from the past years. For my analysis, why do you suppose the population has changed in this way? Give a few specific examples of possible scenarios. Maybe medicine has gotten better over the years, so more are born and less die. I mean, this is very helpful in our medical standards, how the more people are born rather than dying, people live longer, which is why the population is increasing. By looking at your graph, what issues might arise from your state's population growth? For me, it's growth. Issues that may pop up might be not enough medical supplies, not enough food, not enough water, or not enough money to sustain the population. I think this because if this keeps growing, the population already in this world is 7 billion, and this is 30 years from now, 1,293,724 people is quite a lot. And it would take a lot of storing up and trying to get a surplus to support all these people, which may be a problem. 3 things I learned from doing this project. Delaware has a bigger population than you think. For all the haters that said Delaware is very small, it's not, kind of, compared to other states, but don't think about that. Delaware never had an issue of decay. Delaware's population was constantly growing, as shown in my Desmos graph. Population never dropped, only went up. And this skill that I learned during this project can be used in many other areas. I can use this to calculate the growth or decay of a profit of a company, stuff like that. And that's the end of my project.